How much does meal prepping cost in Thailand? I'm not sure that's a question that many people have, but I'll be answering it for you guys today in this video, because one of the things I'm trying to begin doing is focusing on my body and my health. And so with that, I want to start meal prepping. Even though it's easy to get food out here in Thailand and it's cheap, you don't always know what's in it, right? And so I want to focus on, healthier eating and and also not having to think about what I'm going to eat. So I just want some ready meals at home. And so today we're going to be meal prepping and then cooking. We're going to go to the store, do a little bit of grocery shopping, also pick up a few things from like the local vendors around the neighborhood. And then we're going to come back and prepare it. But first, right now, I'm on the way to my gym. I recently joined Muscle Factory Gym, one of the best gyms here in Bangkok, Thailand, I must say. The gym literally has all the equipment you could want. It's a big gym. It's just one of those raw, old school gyms, you can go in there and get it done. So very popular gym amongst, the fitness people out here in Bangkok. And there's also a location in Pattaya as well. Not to mention, there's some very beautiful women that go to that gym as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm just throwing it out there for you guys who might move him, just so you know, just so you'll know. So yeah, we're heading to Muscle Factory. I'm walking there, so it's about a 30-minute walk from my house. So I figured I'd integrate some exercise just to going to the gym instead of taking a motorbike. I'm walking there, so I'll walk there and back. It gives me an hour of daily cardio. By the time I get to the gym, I'm already warmed up and good to go. And then we jump straight into the workout. So we're headed there now, guys. And let me finish up my commute. I'll see you guys shortly. To Muscle Factory, you'll pass, this is called Swish. This is where I play basketball at like 3 times a week. There's some open run that happens here. Pretty good run as well. Just right around the corner from Muscle Factory. And we are almost there. About 3 more minutes walking. Let's get it. Oh, thank you. Back from the gym, all showered up. Now I'm in the Onut area, and I'm hoping to find some local vendors so I can pick up like some fruit, maybe a few vegetables. During the week, it's usually easy to find, but it's the weekend, so I'm not sure if we'll have as much luck. But we're just gonna walk and see what we can come across. Hopefully we can find some vendors. Take a look down this street. I'm already noticing though, like most of the vendors that are usually open during the weekday are closed. I'm just assuming, obviously for a day off and because it's not as much traffic. So, I might have to wait till Monday to pick up what I need. But either way, just kind of wanted to show you guys an example regardless of like what you can find. If you just walk the neighborhoods, you'll find different like vendors. And this is usually a very busy street, like about between 4, 6 p.m. and later during the week. Very busy here. But as you guys see, there's plenty of areas we can buy like your fresh produce. So still a few vendors out here, but just not near as much as I'm used to seeing. Let's see. But we might still have some luck getting our mangoes. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna grab a few mangoes from over here, possibly. Sweaty cop. Okay, I'm out mamuang samloop cup. Alright guys, so I just asked for 3 mangoes. And it's gonna weigh it and then tell me the total. Hey guys, so got 3 mangoes here. The total for this 3 was 96 baht. Gossip Hope, 96 baht. Now we're just gonna head back to, go ahead and go to the store because there's not much more I'm gonna pick up from here. We're gonna go to Lotus and pretty much we're just getting a bunch of chicken, probably a few vegetables. Time to get meal prepping. I think you guys will be surprised just how affordable chicken is here in Thailand. By the way, the gym Muscle Factory, that's just one of them gyms that like if you go to consistently, you're gonna get right just by the proximity of who you're around, because like, I promise you guys, it seems like everyone's body in there is on 10. Like, you know, all the guys are super fit. All the women, bodies are 10s. I mean, it's crazy. Like, you know, like I don't really film in the gym, so you guys are gonna come check out the gym for yourself and see what I'm talking about. But like, yeah, honestly, it's nuts. It really is nuts. We're in the meat section. So for the meal prepping, I'm gonna be cooking chicken thighs, some drumettes, and then also some boneless chicken breasts. So let's go ahead and get our meat. As you guys can see, all the meat here is like fresh, and then you get it and then you scoop up however much you want, and then you go weigh it. So now I'm about to go weigh. I got chicken wings, chicken breasts, and then chicken thighs. So let's go see how much this comes out to. Sorry, Cap. All right, guys, so first one. Second one. Third one. All right, so we got our chicken. Next we need some potatoes. As well, we're gonna do some steamed broccoli. Let's go ahead and grab that. Right here, you also have your rotisserie chicken. So this is a whole rotisserie chicken for 149 baht. I'll put the conversion on the screen, but that's roughly around like four-ish dollars, maybe like $3.75 or so. 2 lemons. Next, we got our vegetables. Time to go get these weighed. Back from the store, and this is the haul, the grocery haul for the week. So this will I'll be meal prepping with. So the total came out to 1,400 baht. I'll put the conversion on the screen. To be exact, that number is come out to 1,400 baht, which equals about $40 US. So for everyone still living in America or wherever else you live in the world, how much would this have cost where you live? So y'all can see, I'm gonna show you guys the weight. So this is, we got 1.6. I think this is, they weigh in kg here. So I'm imagine that this is a kg. So 1.6 kg a weight of chicken for 100 baht. And then we have 0.64 kg of, this one is this is the minced chicken. And this is 61 baht. So it's about $1.75 or so. We got the chicken thighs over here. 1.2 kg for 118 baht, so a little bit over $3. Then we got chicken wings, chicken drumettes, and this is 0.78 kg for 57 baht. So guys, all these chicken wings, this is probably about at least, I don't know, 15 chicken wings or so, and it only cost 57.5 baht. So that is literally less than $2 for this much chicken wings. That is absolutely nuts. Then we got our vegetables. I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. We got our protein shakes. I got some 3 containers of cooked rice for 15 baht a piece. And then we got some taco seasoning. So what I'm gonna do with the minced chicken is I'm gonna season it with the taco seasoning, and I'm gonna mince some onions in there. And then I'm going to make taco wraps with lettuce wraps. So I have this, I'm gonna put them in here with tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, probably add some rice, and yeah, and the chicken. And I also got some bacon because I already have eggs here at the house. And this should feed me for about a week. So I'm going to go ahead and start meal prepping. With the chicken, I'm going to do different things with them. For this, I'm probably going to cook all the wings as buffalo wings. So I make my own buffalo sauce. That's why I got the Frank's Red Hot. So for you guys who want to know, yes, you can get hot sauce in Thailand. You can find this brand at both Lotus and Big C. And yeah, so we're going to do buffalo wings with this. The chicken thighs, we're just going to do different flavors like lemon, garlic, probably like teriyaki. Chicken thighs, we'll probably just we'll oven roast them, season them up. I don't exactly know what flavor I'll do, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna steam the broccoli, and I'll probably saute the carrots. Let's get going. So I already got the wings ready to go. So while I'm prepping everything, so these are just seasoned up. Lemon juice, olive oil, some seasonings, some Frank's Red Hot. And now we're just gonna go stick them in the oven downstairs. One of the perks of having an oven here. Typically I would fry chicken wings, but because we're trying to be a little bit healthier, I'm gonna bake them so we don't have as much oil. And let's count these wings real quick. We got 3, 6, 9, 12, 16 wings. I told you guys. I just randomly guessed it said 15. It was one wing off. So 16 wings for 57 baht. Bro, in the US, it's completely unheard of. Like, I feel like wings, especially if you go out and buy them, pricey. But at the store, there's no way you're getting 16 wings for under $2. It's absolutely nuts. Some of the reasons why I love, living here in Thailand. And also why I cook, because, like, I enjoy cooking, especially for other people. But like when you cook, it's actually not that expensive, especially with like meat and like, unless you're doing like a bunch of like foreign ingredients, things that aren't like native to Thailand, like the imported brands, that type of stuff costs a lot more. But the local stuff like chicken, man, chicken is so cheap, as you guys clearly see. So anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs and throw these in the oven and then come back and finish prepping the rest of the chicken. And yeah, it's gonna be time to eat soon. Which tonight we're gonna do well, not tonight. For lunch, we're gonna have like the tacos. Tonight is another meetup with the community. We're gonna go be at W District and have dinner. And then after that, we're gonna go bowling again. So it should be a good night. It is a Saturday. I almost thought it was Sunday. Today's Saturday. Anyway. All right, guys. So this is what I have so far with the meal prep. I still have more chicken to cook, so this is not all the meals. Once I finish the other chicken and stuff, that should produce about, I want to say 7 to 8 more meals, if not more. But yeah, so in this one, I got this broccoli, baked chicken breast, and rice. A couple of these are with mashed potatoes, and these in here are like oven roasted buffalo wings, and our mashed potatoes from scratch. So all proportioned out. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about the overall grocery haul and how much groceries I was able to get for about $40 US. How much groceries could you get back home with $40? It's been a while since I've grocery shopped at home, but I know groceries are skyrocketing back home. So you guys let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're done for the day. I'll see you guys next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Well, just go in and make an assessment and you can have it. Happy birthday.